Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you everything for a while about square pots. This song I tell you. So this video was made by Louis. I don't know. Okay. So I will tell you how to make. You can also show assets. I forgot to So at this point, you have to make some characters. So yeah. So in this point, so you can use wait. Hold on. So in this point, oh my god. So you can choose your So in this one, so you can so in this one, you have to choose one of your so in this point you have to choose your character on PNG or any of other of them. So if you have your character, so you can create it. If you don't have one, but that's fine. But that's okay if you don't need a show. So I should start with a cup. Oh my god, my sister is getting me that up. It gives me a and how else should use plant? Oh my god, why is my sister not talking? Stop talking. And my sister not supposed to be talking. That's because they're too. That's because they want to, and it gives me a headache. Oh my god. I wish I have to live somewhere else. That's because of my sister. Okay, so here are your characters, but I have to make it like at that all. So you can just yeah. Oh my god, I wish I can live somewhere else. Oh yeah, the lines is not supposed to be different. So okay, I still have a lot. Hold on. Okay, sorry about my sister, but it's even almost like 7 months ago. Yes, like 7 ago. And it's going to it's giving me a headache. Yeah, sorry. So if you're a creator of your characters, so make sure you can do something. So you just have to do something, but with that. So if you want to create your characters like this, it makes perfect. If you don't need an image, but that's fine. Oh well. I'm not gonna be mad, but or I am. If you don't do that, you're gonna be okay. Okay. So in this, okay, it's been like here, but meanwhile, K.O.S.T might be very interesting, but he has his comment on there, but I think he's not. But maybe he might be kind of awake. Anyways, if you missed this part, that's fine. Okay, now for the second part. also in this, but I'm almost done making some acids, but the acid is not finished, but almost, but it gives me 10 hours to make it, so yeah. And you guys have to make it now. If you don't need it, that's fine. And I made a plant. That's not even good, but yeah. I like this plant a lot, so I have my plant at home. So guys, if you have plants, so comment. Alright, I don't have any comments or something else. If you don't have plants, so but that's fine. I have my plants I got them from school. Not in a store. I got them I have my plants, but that's because I got them from school, and now school's out. And I know it's kind of raining, and I know you guys might be bored for my channel. That's because I didn't make it. Yeah, sorry, sorry for the lag. So have to make it. If you don't need an image, but that's fine. I'm almost done with the plant, or kinda. Hold on. This must be the seed, so yeah. The seed what's inside a pot. I have a leaf. Yeah, the plant is full of leaf. If your plant is if yours is planted, so yeah. Hold on. The plant must be very good, but I'm making it worse. Yes, my bad, sorry. I'm making this worse. Even I don't have animation, that's because animation it's very expensive. So it's very expensive. So 3D paint so I'm using any of them. So it makes me good. So I'm almost done with it. I'm almost done. There we have a planted flower. So here comes the last one. In this final part, it might be very simple. So I'm going to use any of them, but it may be kind of plenty. So I'm using my computer. That's because I'm 7. I mean, that's because I'm 10. And I'm almost done. So and that's it. So this is my tutorial. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe, or else if you don't do that, we are gonna pay for that. And anyways, I have to, but before I leave, I have to tell you something. Well, I have camp next month or something, so you guys have to enjoy it. So make sure to like and subscribe. So it's easy. So goodbye. Bye.